February 9, Sunday, 2025 Super Bowl.
All right, and Chuck, we're out here with our brother, Steve. I'm Joe. That's Chuck. You guys have seen him before. And then we have that guy who's hiding out. His name is Zach.
Yeah.
He's our brother's son, which, you know, he's a good skier too. So let's go have a go and see what the snow's like here at Jack Frost in the Poconos in Pennsylvania.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thunderbirds are go.
So that means it's filming. All right, Zach, here we go. We're going to go down Thunderbird Run. Or no, that's Thunderbolt. Okay, Thunderbolt. Sorry, my bad. Okay, angle's good. We're on Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt our go. I didn't hear you, Steve. There was wind blowing. What's that? I have to adjust my goggles at some point. Okay. They're far right. They're far right. Whoa, Steve, what? All right. If we go here or carry speed, we should be able to make Easy Rider.
Battery died.
Hey, Snowflake. Oh, yeah. I think it's the Easy Rider, isn't it? Go, Zach, go get Chuck. No. All right, let's go, guys. Wow, that was a really great day here at Jack Frost in the Poconos. I did 26 runs. Chuck and Steve here. How was your day here at Jack Frost? Good runs?
Yeah, wonderful.
Steve?
28 runs.
28 runs, wow, awesome. All right, well, I'll tell you what, the snow was really, the conditions were great this morning. It is pillowing up a little bit out there, but all in all, yeah, a great day for a Sunday. Hey, Zach, how did you like the snow here at Jack Frost today?
Yeah, it was really good. It was a lot of fun.
So this was your first time. What was your favorite run out there?
Let's see. Challenge was a lot of fun.
Yeah. How about the river shot?
Yeah, river shot.
Yeah, that was
really
cool.
good.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.